In this video I'll be installing a Gritomatic leading edge articulated arm with some LED lights for sharpening with a workshop precision adjust. You can use any type of cold shoe camera type mount LED light system or cameras or anything on these articulating arms. We have longer and shorter versions. I'll be showing both versions installation today. So first what we need to do is I'm just going to remove the stone holder. This is the bracket that goes onto the workshop precision adjust. Loosen up the little plastic screw, slot it into position, seat it nicely, and just lightly lock it in position with a plastic screw. That just stops it from moving around. So that is the bracket for the articulated arm, which will be installed on the precision adjust. So let's install the short version today. Basically the long version is for some of the sharpening systems where you need additional length and additional positioning. You can adjust them by loosening these little thumb screws, rotating them around into position, locking them up, loosening these ones, put it in any position you want, and lock it up again. So the little articulated arm simply screws into position on the top of the mount. Get it into a position you would like, wherever that may be, and use the thumb screw to lock it into that position. So let's install a small LED light today. Slide that in, release the little thumb screw here, rotate it to where I want, lock up the thumb screw, lock it in position exactly where you want it, turn on the light, and you've got a nice little light to see exactly what you're doing for sharpening. Bigger light into the cold shoe mount, lock it up, and there you have a light for your sharpening. So this short little mount works for small sharpeners, and the longer articulated arm, like I said, for different longer, bigger sharpening systems.